Post Malone, arguably the biggest artist right now. And how did I get a picture, you may ask? Then watch this video. Also, this is a tutorial on how I made this back in 2019 and kind of fooled the internet. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Come on, it only takes like 0.1 second for you to press. Also, it is free. So many alsos. Also, what are you waiting for? Hit that, slap it, and also watch this video. So if you want to follow along, you can use similar pictures, but all you need is two pictures, one of a background and your picture. So I use pen tool. You can use any tool if you want to, like quick selection tool or lasso tool, but I like pen tool since it is much accurate. But if you use graphics tablet, you can go for the lasso tool. Now I make a selection and adjust with the background subject, in my case, Post Malone. Now with the brush tool selected and black as my color, I erase the unwanted background. Not gonna lie, that kinda looks creepy. And then I duplicated the layer and used the clone stamp tool. Since the clone stamp tool is destructive, it is recommended to create a duplicate. Now I have to make the accurate size. Since I am an Indian, I have to be short, and guess what? Post Malone is kinda tall. So I went on a web and searched his height. Since I don't know what 1.84 means, so I again googled it. So did some maths. Just to find out he is 6 feet 3 inches. And now I wanted to check my height. I googled it and guess what? Nothing happened. Back to the Photoshop. Now I had to do heavy maths to get the correct figure. 6 feet 3 inches versus 8.5 or 9 inches. I'm also kind of fat, so making my body fat, which I don't know, doesn't make any sense. Now I use the almighty curves to color match. Also added some shadow. Also background shadows. Then use the clone stamp tool to remove the white spots. Now those are called butlas in Nepali. You don't want to remove those because it kind of looks late. I'm just removing marks, so don't get confused. Now also some shadows. Now I realize the shadows are coming from down, so I had to replicate, and guess what I did? Now since the picture was taken from some random Android phone and I wanted that iPhone look, so I just warmed the temperature, color corrected, and now I look like a South Indian. Okay, so there you have it. This is how I created my Post Malone picture back in 2019. So if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and I hope to see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.